Technique number 5. You can't be very effective in spiritual warfare if you have sin in your life. These pictures explain it all. This man is trying to run his race, but he's tied down by sin. This man is being strangled by sin. And this man is totally tied up in bondage. Sin gives the devil power over a person. Think about the Titanic. It had many sections, many levels, many corridors, many rooms. So how many rips in the hull did it take to sink the ship? Only one. From that one rip poured in all the water that was needed to sink the entire ship. The same with sin. Having a perpetual sin in your life will open you up to more and more demonic attack. If you're watching pornography or doing masturbation, if you can't control your lusts, or you can't control your rage, or addiction, or rebellion to authority, then you're not ready. Getting into spiritual warfare will be like stirring up a bee's nest. If you want to win in spiritual warfare, your flesh needs to be crucified. Your self-will needs to be surrendered to Jesus. Those who pick up their cross will overcome. So technique number 5, get the sin out of your life.